It's really not too often that we hear about a one-of-a-kind coin. Honestly, we hope that we hear about things like this more often. These true oddities are really what bring a lot of money in auction. Now, I'm going to be showing you these bicentennial quarters, and it's very important, and it has to do with the coin that we're talking about in this video. So please pay close attention, and I'm going to show you exactly what we need to be looking for here. These 1976 Washington bicentennial design quarters were produced to celebrate the 200th anniversary of the United States of America. This was something completely unheard of and new, so when they were producing them, there were a lot of people that thought they would be great investments, so they started buying a lot of them. Little did people know they minted these a lot. You have the 1976 D design, and that D mint mark on the front of the coin stands for the Denver Mint, where this coin was minted. They minted over 860 million of these coins. Then you have the 1976 No Mint mark. That means it was minted at the Philadelphia Mint. These coins had nearly 810 million minted. Then you have the 1976 S Washington quarter. That S mint mark stands for the San Francisco Mint. San Francisco typically mints proof coins, and the quantity of them produced are a lot lower. They minted over 7 million of these coins. Then, now this is the important part, you have the 1976 S Washington quarters with the bicentennial design that are 40% silver. So you have the 40% silver proof coins, and then you have the 40% silver business strike. Now, business strike coins look like this, and they are normal issued coins. That means those are the coins that go out into circulation, while proof coins typically go into collectors' collections. Those are coins that collectors will buy online to show as a more of a presentation piece. Then they started minting the 1977 Washington quarters. Now, this is where it really gets interesting, because this is a year later. They go back to the old design of the Washington quarter. These clad composition coins are made out of about 92% copper and 8% nickel. So in order to get this coin that you see on your screen now, this is called a transitional coin. What happened is someone used the original blank planchet from the bicentennial 40% silver coin, and what they did was they struck it on a 1977D hub, which should have had only clad composition coins. The really interesting part is, as remember, these bicentennial quarters from San Francisco that have the 40% silver composition were only minted at San Francisco, but somehow one of those planchets made it all the way to Denver, and in Denver they struck this coin. Now, it's up for debate whether this was intentional or not. I like to believe that someone definitely did this on purpose. Regardless of how it happened, it's definitely a true oddity and completely rare, as something like this never really shows up anymore. But there's always that possibility that something like this will come along again and be sold for a lot of money. As you can see, this example here was struck on a 40% silver planchet. This one was graded by NGC XF Details. XF stands for extremely fine. When you see details on the holder there, that means that there is more comments, and the reason why this got details is because this coin was improperly cleaned. I've made videos going all over why you should not clean your coins. Just simply search old money prices cleaned, and you should find that. Now, if this coin would have been in a higher grade, if it was not cleaned, it would have sold for a lot more money. This coin nearly sold for $5,000. Now, how do you know if you have one of these coins? One of the most important things that you need to be doing is weighing your coins. That's right. These 40% silver coins should weigh about 5.75 grams. Clad composition coins should weigh about 5.67 grams. So you can see on the holder by NGC, they put the weight of the coin, which is 5.7 grams. And again, this one little quarter sold for $4,935. Hit that subscribe button. It really does help out with the YouTube algorithm. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you in the next video.